Why do some people come up with brilliant ideas, while completely different people end up becoming billionaires? Today's movie might seriously change the way you think about money, negotiations, and how big business actually works. And no, this is not just another boring success story. The film is called The Founder. At first glance, it looks like a movie about McDonald's. Burgers, restaurants, the American dream. Nothing unusual, right? But this story goes much deeper than that. It's about how massive fortunes are built, why having a great idea is often not enough, and how one mistake in a business deal can cost hundreds of millions of dollars. What makes it even more interesting? It's based on a true story. And honestly, if you're into money, investing, entrepreneurship, or simply want to understand how wealthy people think, this movie can teach you more than some expensive business books. The Founder tells the story of the man who turned McDonald's into a global empire. But here's the question that makes this movie so fascinating. What if the person who built the empire wasn't actually the one who created it? No spoilers, but this is where things get really interesting. As you watch, you start noticing things you may have missed before about business, why control can matter more than the idea itself, why entrepreneurs fight so hard over assets, and what it really takes to scale something successfully. The movie also delivers one uncomfortable truth. In the world of money, good people don't always win, and even a brilliant idea guarantees nothing. Sometimes the winner is simply the person who understands the system better, and that really makes you think. The best part of The Founder isn't even the story itself. It's the questions you're left with afterward. What matters more, creating the idea or building the empire? Where's the line between ambition and greed? And if billions of dollars were on the table, would you make the same choices? So if you want a movie that's not just entertaining but actually teaches valuable lessons about money, business, and financial literacy, The Founder is absolutely worth your time. Save this video so you don't forget and add this movie to your weekend watch list. And one more thing, every Friday here on Money School, we'll be recommending movies that are not only entertaining but can genuinely change the way you think about money, business, and financial literacy.